Good morning students. Today we are going to learn from English chapter 16, English grammar chapter 16. Praise and clauses. Praise and clauses. Praises and clauses. Praises and clauses. So here praises and clauses, what is the meaning of praises? First we learn the defining of praises. A praise is a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. It does not have a subject and predicate. So this phrases is in the sentence, but it has a group of words, but it has not a complete sense, and it will not give the sense for the sentence, and it is not, there is not having subject and predicates. Not having subject and predicate. For example, here a phrase only makes sense when it is part of a sentence. It is only sense but not complete sentence, and not complete sense for the sentence. Now you see here, I have written here, in the morning. What is this in the morning? It is a sense some in the morning, but it is not complete sense. What is in the morning? So, for example, now I write they left. They left in the morning. So in the morning, when you write this is a phrase, but it is not a complete, there is having more subject and not predicate. So when you add the they left in the morning, so it is the sense, it is having a sense. Then inside the car, what is, why they are inside the car? Okay, she sat inside the car. Who is inside the car? She inside the car. Okay, so it gives the full sense of the complete sense of the word or sentence. That is called the phrase. So here there is a underline the phrase in the following sentences. Underline the phrase in the following sentences. So you can underline the phrases in the following sentences. So phrase means what is the first, we use the subject in the other predicates, subject and predicates. No? So here in the phrases and clauses means the phrase is followed to the end of the sentence. End of the sentence, it is not having a complete sense without the subject or without the predicate. So phrase. Then next one we are going to learn about the clause. Clause, see here, when defining the clause means a clause is a group of words that forms a part of a large sentence. The clause is having a large sentence and subject, predicate and infinitive verbs. So in the clauses there will be subject, predicates and infinitive verbs. Infinitive verbs in the clauses. So for example, study the words in italic with the following sentences. She returned at sunset. Returned when? She returned when the sun set. When? Okay, remember, if closely analyze the group of words in italic, it is quite clear that they do not work an adverb as they show when she returned. So since at sunset, this verb adverb is called the adverb of praise. So when, for example, here in the sentence it is sunset, she returned at sunset, but when she returned, when the sunset comes, she returned back. Okay, that should be, that when we read the sentence, we can understand the complete sense of the word. So here we can see some clauses can stand only sentences. They are called main or principal clauses. Clauses that cannot stand its own and depend on the main clause complete meaning is there is subordinating clauses. Subordinating clauses means depending on others. This already I have told you. Subordinating clauses. Subordinating clauses means it will depend on another sentence. Okay, the dependence of the sentence. So without the main sentence and subordinating sentence, both mixed only, there will be a complete sense. Without the subordinating sentence, we cannot be adding the and full, it will not give a full meaning of the sentence. So when we go into the subordinating sentences, there is also three types of subordinating sentences you can see. So subordinating sentences when we learn, so subordinating clauses also we know. So here we are going to learn about subordinated clauses. First one, noun clauses, adverb clauses and adjective clauses. First one, noun clauses, adverb clauses and adjective clauses. So here I want to tell you one thing. In the noun clauses also it will be noun clauses as the subjective verb. Noun clauses also will be as the subjective verb. Verb is. Subjective noun is called is. Then subjective adverb clauses, here they have given you examples no. Then adverbs of adjectives clauses, they have given you adjectives should be to or with. So these are the noun clauses and adverb clauses and adjective clauses to with. So adverb clauses. So first we learn about the noun clauses. Noun clauses should be three types, that is noun clauses as a subjective verb is, noun clauses object of a verb non, noun clauses as a object of prepositions, prepositions to or with. Okay, these objective noun clauses are three types. Noun clauses are three types, that is the subjective verb and objective verb and the object of prepositions. Noun clauses also. Subjective verb, objective verb and the noun verb prepositions, object of prepositions. Okay, the next one coming to the adverb clause. Adverb clauses, a subordinated clauses that acts as an adverb in a sentence is known as a subordinated clause. If answer the questions when, where, why, how. Remember, these should be used in a verb clauses more. More about adverb clauses, adverb type. For example, now I am going to tell adverb clauses. Here we use the 5 types of adverb clauses. First one, adverb clauses of time, adverb clauses of place, adverb clauses of reason, adverb clauses of manner, adverb clauses of condition. Okay, the time when it is happened, place where you are going, reason why it happened, then manner, how fast you are walking, how slowly you are doing this. The condition also, how is the condition of your grandfather. So these are the adverb clauses, time, place, reason, manner and condition. The noun clauses also include noun clauses, subjective verb, objective verb, objective prepositions. Okay, that also will be used in the clauses. These are the conditions of the verb. So next one, adjective clauses. Last one, adjective clauses. Adjective clauses is a complete sentences does the work of an active. Adjective is describe a noun or pronoun. It is usually answers the question which one or what kind. Most adjective clauses begin with why, whom, which, whose, with. So this should be remembered when this most adjective clauses start with the which, with, how, whose. So these are the adjective clauses. For example, this is the book which I read so far. This is the man whose house was damaged. This is the path which I leads to the place or palace. So these are the main things you should learn in this chapter. So for example, once again I tell, praises means, the praises is a group of words. It is not giving a complete sense. Okay, it is not giving complete sense. It has not the subject and predicates also. So that is called the praises. So then praises sentence also I told, in the morning is not also, they left in the morning. inside the car. She sat inside the car. So these will be full. Then coming to the clauses. The clauses is a group of this also a group of sentences, big sentences, large sentences, and has a subject, predicate, and infinitive verbs. So a group of clause, group of words forms a part of large sentences, but it has a subject, predicates, and infinitive verb. Okay. So, but when we come to these clauses, there will be clauses when it will be depending on subordinating clauses should be more because it will be depend on other sentence. Subordinating clauses. In the subordinating clauses also I have shown three types of it. Noun clauses or adverb clauses and adjective clauses. So noun clauses we use to write the subject verb, adjective verb, and the object of prepositions we use to write the sentence. Okay. Then adverb clauses when we come there is five types of adverb clauses: time, place, reason, and conditions. So keep in mind this: when, where, why, how much. Okay. So adjective clauses. That already told. It starts with whom, whose this book, which, whose, who, with. So these will starting the adjective clauses. Okay, these are the topic of the phrases and clauses. So today our syllabus is completed from this chapter. The English grammar syllabus and English also, all the syllabus is complete. I already told the project work to do the project work. I asked English grammar 13th chapter. You write the poem of your own words and write the introduction of the poem. Okay, then poem. Then you can draw the picture. Then at the end you write the summary of the poem. Okay, that is the pattern of the writing in the. So you can write clean and it should be there. Clean and write good handwriting. If it is not clean and it is not have a good writing, I cut the mark. Not last time what I did. Okay. So all the best and prepare everything before the hand. Complete all writing everything. Don't ask me before the exam today, tomorrow exam today, sister I want PC1. No. So before the hand you get everything, every note clearly, write and keep everything. Then I am also uploading in the app. There also you can get all the notes. Okay. All the best and study that.